Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show guys how can you unlock your apps in your Realme phone device. As you want to unlock these apps, as you can see guys, you have this AppLock in your Realme phone, and guys you want to unlock these apps, you want to unlock your apps, so guys you can unlock. And guys, now let's see how to unlock apps in our Realme phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So friends, now let's start the video. Friends, first of all, open your phone setting to unlock apps. Then guys scroll your pattern and guys scroll, then guys you can see your password setting. So guys tap here and guys click on AppLock, guys draw your pattern. So which app guys you want to unlock, guys you can unlock from here guys. Like this app guys you want to unlock, guys you can see your YouTube you want to unlock, so you can unlock from here. Guys you can see guys your setting guys you want to unlock, so you can unlock like which app guys you can see this blue icon, so you will have to tap, then guys this app will unlock. So are you friends, you have understood how to unlock apps? So friends, now let's see. So when you will use your YouTube, so as you can see there is no any pin, password and pattern in your YouTube setting. And as you can see your second app guys like file, so there is no password. So are you friends, you have understood how to unlock apps in our Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, and guys now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.